Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the latest updates at Camp Nou. We'll explore how the stadium is shaping up and check the ongoing work across key areas. From new structural elements to finished sections, every step of progress will be covered. Stay tuned as we walk through the stadium and see the updates come together. The Tribuna area looks cleaner and more organized, with less construction material around. Most temporary elements have been removed, improving visibility, and overall progress in this section is clearly noticeable. The escalators are in good condition, with handrails installed on the lower section. Technical work on the visible escalator appears finished. An elevated platform nearby indicates work on the black structural beam, and the upper escalator may still have ongoing work. Only minor painting remains on the walls, and most construction materials have been cleared. Scaffolding inside shows that interior work continues. Compared to earlier days, the area feels calmer and more advanced, with steady progress throughout. The diamond area remains unchanged since the last update, with no new glass panels installed recently. A few panels are still missing on the left side and front right section. All panels are on site and ready for installation. Work appears temporarily paused but can resume anytime. We stop at a section where most glass supports are installed. Only one small horizontal section remains unfinished, awaiting insulation before glass placement. This area is nearly complete, with preparation steadily advanced. No major changes are visible compared to yesterday. Most louver supports on the right are installed, and an elevated platform is active on the left near black beams. Progress is steady, reflecting careful installation and alignment. Some lower supports are at slightly different heights, with one higher than the adjacent. This will be compared with other stadium sections for consistency, ensuring overall stability and alignment. Several red structural pieces are chained and prepared for lifting. Their exact function is unclear at this stage, but they are likely essential for upcoming work. More clarity will emerge as they are installed. New lamas were expected, but none are being placed currently. Installation pace is slower than expected, and with much remaining work, progress needs to accelerate in the coming months. Some elevated platforms are visible, but no crane is lifting lamas currently. New reinforcement is being installed in the lower zone, and formwork panels are ready for concrete. This section, previously narrower, now connects better with surrounding parking once leveled. The installed lamas look impressive under sunlight. Colors are vibrant and visual impact is strong. Even without new installations, the front view looks clean, and sections appear aligned and polished. Large capital pieces are installed above, part of a bigger series for the future. More pieces will be gradually installed, offering opportunities to observe their placement as work continues. The first support for brackets is being positioned. Workers and platforms are active nearby, confirming progress in this zone. A new compression pillar with yellow components is prepared, expected to be lifted soon. This is significant progress for the future roof, with the compression ring taking shape step by step. The parking ramp is fully concreted and looks complete. Very little activity is visible, and no major changes are in the nearby diamond zone. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.